Hello everyone, here we are demonstrating our project Automatic Sanitization using RFID card. It is based on the IoT, that means Internet of Things. Due to this pandemic situation, everyone are facing concentrating on the hygienic and safety. The main purpose of our system is to use the RFID smart card, which is related to security. Of course, manually informing to use of sanitization. The integration of a sanitizing device to gate and using the RFID card for safety purpose is to help the college or else institutes or offices to avoid and maintain the system in a conventional method. The components we are used here is a Arduino board, and Arduino board, it is a open source electronic platform based on the easy to use hardware or and software. Here we use the Arduino board because it is able to read the inputs like light on a sensor and a finger on a button and turns on into a output that is actuating a motor. Now coming to the Node MCU. Node MCU is an open source firmware. It can be connected the object and let the data transfer using the Wi-Fi protocol. Then coming to the relay model. This is our relay model, and used to provide the time delay function. Relays are used to control the high voltage circuit and used for the power supply. Then coming to the motor, that is pump motor. Pump motor is actually helps to people to get sanitization. And coming to the micro servo meter, and this is our micro servo meter. Micro servo meter is a rotatory or a linear actuator. It allows for a precise control of a angular or a linear positions and used to open or close a gate. And coming to the IR sensor, it is a IR sensor. Actually, it is a IR sensor is an electronic device that measures and detects the infrared radiation in the surrounding environment. And coming to the RFID card, it is a RFID reader. It is a radio frequency identification based authentication system is used to allow the authorized people to enter into a gate. Software, initially we should have to install the Visual Studio 2010, then we should have to install the Arduino IDE for connecting the Arduino board. Then for connecting the Arduino board, now let's see the connectivity of our project. For firstly we should have to connect our system to the components. Then first we connect the USB cable. It is our USB cable to the system, to the Node MCU. Then we should have to connect the USB-B cable to the system and the USB port of a Arduino board. It is a USB port. It is a Arduino board. Then for the power supply, we need to connect the relay module to the power supply, electrical power supply. Then then we have to connect the Wi-Fi to the RFID reader. See how our project works. Initially we have to open our project. In that we have a tables. In the tables we have a transaction and the user master. Initially starting it is transaction ID is a null because the table is a null. Now after debugging it, start debugging it page. Here we should have to enter the user ID as well as a password. Now after login,
it will show the user list page. Initially we already registered a card, that is 31 card. Now let's see the how it actually works. Initially our card, that is 153 card is there. We should have to flash this card. Then the servo meter will rotate. Then after refreshing this page, it will shows our card. Then we have to select this. Then it will take a default name. Now let's give it as a Sukanya, and let's select the user type as a teaching staff and update it. Now it is updated here, updated into a database. Now see, now flash the already registered card, that is 31. After flashing it, the servo meter will rotate. Then after this IR sensor will sense the object, that is hand. Then we can get sanitized from this pump. And now we can see our report page. Our report page. In this we have a card details and the in-time detail. Card details and in-time detail. In the in-time detail, it will shows the date and the timings of the registered user who can get sanitized and enter into a campus. Thank you.